guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I am making slime for twin sisters Aisha and Fatma, and it's been a very long time since I made slime. I have made slime last time I think January, and it's August, so I was really bored, so I thought that I should make slime. So let's get started. Guys, I'm gonna add some pink glue for the pink color. So let's add some activator to activate the slime. Look how pretty the color is, guys. I hope you like it. Okay, almost activated. And after activating the slime, we will add some red food coloring and red pigment and red glitter. Guys, almost activated. Let's check. Yes, not sticky at all. It looks like Doodh Jam is shiri. So it's activated now. I will mix it a little bit more, then after it you guys know what will I put in it. Guys, gonna add some cream to my slime to make it soft. Guys, I have set aside my bowl and I am now gonna add a little bit more cream to my slime. Massaging the slime in a pink of health. मैंने स्लाइम दोबारा प्याले में रख ली है क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है फूड कलरिंग हमें टेबल पे नहीं पिलानी वरना मम्मा डांटेंगी। और अब मैं रेड फूड कलरिंग डाल रही हूँ। My slime in color red will be ready in 3, 2, 1. Look guys, it's a really pretty marble color, two colors, red and pink. Now let's add some red glitter. Now I'm gonna add some dark pink pigment to make it shiny. It's a little bit red. Now let's mix it. Look how the pretty color of the pigment is. Really pretty pink rose. Look guys, the slime is looking really beautiful. Okay guys, so the slime is gonna be ready in 3, 2, 1. Now let's test the slime. It's so pretty. Look at the slime, it's so pretty. You can also get your own slime at Jenny Goodies at Instagram, and it's a really pretty pink marble. And now let's separate them and pack it. This is the first slime and second. I hope they will love it. Now all packed and ready to go.